Hi, today we'll make Eevee with a ball and we will make it out of play-doh. So first we will make a circle, then 2 triangles. So we will use this and this. So first we have a little ear for Eevee, and we have a little circle. You can make a little bit big ears or small ears. I will make a little bit bigger ears. So we will have black to make inside of the ear of Eevee. We will use a little bit of black to make Eevee's inside ear. So we will need a little bit of black, not as much of black if you have a big Eevee. So we'll make a little triangle too to make the inside of Eevee's ear. We'll need just a little bit to make it. Okay, we have one ear made like this. Okay, now we stick it together with Eevee's head, or you can wait and leave it on your desk. So we use a little bit more brown, if you have more, and a little bit of black to make the inside with like the other ear. Okay, we have the ear ready. So we have a little bit of black to make the inside of the ear. We will use the red, I don't know what it's called. I will just call it thing, and we can stick the little triangle, the black play-doh, into Eevee's ear. Now we can stick it together with Eevee. We'll just use a little bit brown to make the black invisible. Okay, then we'll take the other ear and put it next to the first ear. Okay, so we have 2 ears already. Now we have the face. Now we can make the face with black. We'll make nose and his mouth. Now we will use white to make the inside of his eye. Just a little bit to put it inside. Okay, then we will take the Eevee and put his eyes on him, onto his face. So he has 2 eyes on his face. And if you want to use this, you can so we put his eye on his little face. It will look like this. A little Eevee. Okay. Then we take the other eye and we put it next to the first eye. It will look like this. It's a little bit crumbly, I know. You can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, we're done with the first little eye. Then we take it. Okay, then when we're done, we can put the little nose onto him. Wait, oh. We will need just a little bit of play-doh to make his mouth and his nose. We'll just need a little bit to make his nose. Then we can use just a little bit of white to make his little eye, little sunlight on his nose. It will look really cute when you make that Eevee. Then when you have your Eevee done, then we can start with the other thing that we needed to make. The body and his tail and his legs. We need to make the fur after because he has a little fur. We have the little thingy done. Then we'll put it together like this. We can make it a little bit. Like this to fit it onto him. Like this. And then we take this thing and put it forward. Just like this. When you're done with your Eevee, then we will make his little legs. Here, the little paw of Eevee. Then we'll put it onto Eevee. Like he's laying down. Just like this. Then we make the little other leg. Take on the road. Then we will make his back legs. Then it Eevee's legs. And we'll make the other leg. Here, and then we'll make his tail. A little triangle, just roll to make a little triangle. I'll just make a little bit more circle. We'll have a little bit of a yellow. Just like this. Then we put it on the Eevee's tail. We have his little tail. Then we stick it together with Eevee. Now we're like this. We'll make Pikachu too, like a pillow for Eevee. So we make a circle for Pikachu to make a little Pikachu, and we'll make just his head. So we will have black to make his little ears. So I have a little triangle. We're done with our Eevee. He's a little bit cute. So we'll make Pikachu his little ears. So we have his first ear done. Then leave it on your board. And make a little cheek for Pikachu, or you can make it glitter. It will be just a little cheek for Pikachu. We'll need the other black to make his other ear. We'll just need a little bit more black to make his little mouth and everything else. We'll make a little bat for him and a little ball. So we have his second ear done. Then we put it next to the other ear. Oh my god, it's a cloud. We'll just take a little bit more cheek. Just a little bit more. Look at it, just the same. Okay, we will make his little face. We'll need white to make his little I don't know how it's called. Okay, we'll make two circles to make his little eyes. Look at his little cute eye. Okay. Now we have one eye. Now we will make the other eye. Okay. Now we have his second eye done. Now we'll put everything on his little head. Okay, first we'll put his ears on his head. It's a little head. I will make a little bit bigger head for our Pikachu. 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 Okay, now we have his little head, and now we'll put his ears and everything else on his little head. Oh, he has little dots on his ear. Poor Pikachu. Okay, then we'll make him oh my god, the stars fell out. It's the other ear that we didn't make. Okay, now we'll make the other ear. I wish it doesn't fall. Okay, now we have his little head on. Now put his cheeks, maybe just a little bit. I'll make his cheeks a little bit smaller because they will not fit. So that Pikachu. Okay, here is the first cheek, and there is the second cheek. It's so small for no reason. Why are they so small? So, choose a second cheek for Pikachu. And black again to make his little mouth. Okay, we have his nose. We put on his nose really tight that it doesn't fall. A little hole in his little nose. Okay, now we have his little nose and his eyes on. Now we'll make his little mouth. Okay, now we have that Pikachu. We'll put it just like over here. Just like this. Look at this Pikachu. Okay, now we'll make the bed and then we'll make the ball. Okay, we can use different colors, and we'll just use this one. I don't know what color is it. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's kind of blue. Okay, Eevee will have a little ball for his little body to sleep in. The play-doh fell off. No, it's hollow. Okay, we'll make him bed just like this. When it's look that he fit inside the bed, or he will just be fat for his bed. Okay, just like this. Just like this. Look at this big. Look at this little Eevee sleeping on his bed. Okay, now we'll make his things around his little bed. Okay, we have just one thing done. Now we'll make that rest. Okay, we're done with almost with his little bed. So we will just staple it with the thing onto his little bed. Okay, we have the Eevee in his little bed, sleeping down. We'll just put him right here. Okay, now we'll make the Pokeball, the little ball for Eevee. So we have Jolteon to show you. I will just show it on the end of the video. And Eevee will have a little friend. He will not live alone. Okay. So we'll just put it like this together, and now we will roll together. Okay, now we have a little Pokeball. Now we just need the stripes and the middle of the Pokeball, so we can have like a real Pokeball to throw into Eevee. And he's just sleeping down. Okay, now we're done with Pikachu, Eevee, and the bed and the Pokeball. I already finished the Pokeball. Now it looks like this to throw Eevee. Now I need to show the last part is the Jolteon. So I will show you this first and the Jolteon second first. Okay. This how the Eevee looks like. Too cute. I will just make him sure that his tail doesn't fall. Okay, we finished the Eevee. Now I will show you his little bed to sleep inside. So I will just need to make it here. The bed for Eevee. And I just show you the Pokeball. It looks like this. I can make a Master Ball, and here's a Pikachu that I wanted to show you. Okay, now we'll do the last part is to show the Jolteon. I keep him inside a little ball. Okay, so Jolteon has a little seat. And another Pokeball, maybe I can change it like this, change. And then so this one is Jolteon's, but I can give it to Eevee, and this one will go to Jolteon. So we have the little Jolteon. It looks like this. Now Eevee will have a friend, Jolteon. Okay, and here's the inside of this little bottle. The inside looks like this. So we're done for today. Go to my channel, smash the like if you like that video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.